Hey guys, welcome back to another video of this COBOL programming course. In this video, we'll do a practical and we'll write a simple Hello World COBOL program. We'll write a COBOL program to understand divisions, sections, paragraph and sentences. Let's go to the mainframe. Now create the member to write the COBOL program. Hello World. So this is the coding sheet which we have discussed in the previous video. From column A, we start the area A. In area A, we write the different divisions. So write identification division. Under the identification division, we write the paragraph, program ID, and we give the program name, Hello World. It should be 8 characters long. Next, we have environment division. Next, we have data division. Next, we have procedure division. Under the procedure division, we write statement display. Display is a COBOL word to display message on the output. Hello World. Then we stop run the program, which logical ends of this program. So we write a simple COBOL program. We have added identification division. Under this, we added program ID, Hello World. This should same as the member name, Hello World. We have data division, procedure division, and we are displaying Hello World. Save it. So to compile this, we need a compile JCL. So I have already written. Go to JCL. We have compile JCL. So this is a ready compile JCL in our personal mainframe TK file system. So this is the proclip they use, scope UCLG. So we in the ccin parameter, we give our program name. So let's give Hello World. And this would be our load library. So our object name would be Hello World. Save it. This is just for compiling the COBOL program. Let's check. Submit it. The job is submitted. Go to compile. So program executed successfully. Program compiled successfully. We can see here. Now let's run the COBOL program. To run the COBOL program, we have run JCL, where we give our program name and the step library from where the object module is being called. So this is our load library. So before running the run JCL, let's check if our object module is created or not. Let's go to the load library. This is our load library, and let's check. See, our load module is being created. Hello World. Now let's run the program. Go to run JCL. Run JCL 3. So this is the run JCL I have created. We need to give the program name. We need to give the step lib where the object module is present. Sysout message is for printing the message on the screen, output screen. It is also used to print the system messages on the output screen. So this is the job card we have. Let's submit the program. Go to spool. See, program executed successfully. So here hello world is printed.